and the hotel will be say, what a good story we have tell to you. Another tells good
I say,
story.
fuck you, though.
And he will tell, and this will be like,
My wife is so famous in Norway.
free maybe,
Also.
good story before, then good room free for you, sir. If I will be owner, then if I could, of course I could, I can. Then I will say, if for good story, sir, you have a free room for
And
all
business,
night,
you make money
and
so
all
much.
day, all weekend, all weekend. You know what I mean? No 7 days. 7 days don't need to. Better go to take care and enjoying, or maybe here, maybe there, some beautiful woman, caring good, fun and life, enjoying in truly desire, much more something really good. Good. And please stay and come work. Please maybe on the kitchen. Some good story inspiring the chiefs and kitchen people, and really good. Trust me. And then like something more, and people can come in and say like,
Funny fish,
oh,
funny fish, funny fish.
which one the person was?
Hey,
And video.
funny fish,
Yeah.
funny fish, funny. Funny.
Money. I have money too. I have
Funny
money.
fish, she's beautiful.
Who?
My wife making so much money.
Where is she?
Oh, in Norway also.
Very good. Then I believe and pray to stay. Not truly, really, too. Without sugar, without simply sugar. Stay in diet without simple sugar, and then stay younger and younger every year. Feeling good younger. Good younger, feeling tight. Good feeling,
That's
good
a
feeling,
boy.
good feeling, good feeling, good feeling,
Bislett,
good feeling,
Oslo,
good
hey,
feeling, good
ik
feeling.
even, hey, Oslo, Bislett. Vi har sömn, massa bra. Det är bra.
Musi za to powiedzieć się uka.
Några gånger ibland träffar mig.
Więcej tego nie znosisz na tym świecie. Tych nas zahamowań naszej prawdy, prawdziwego naszego bycia, humanoidowego czucia siebie. Będę Jana Pawła II. Wtedy nam wychodzi lepiej w tych, no. Tu masz siła za duża, człowiek. Dobrze, siła nie za duża, dobra siła. Dobra siła, pyta. Very good. Jak w podstawówce, takie mamy nauczone swoje nawyki. W przedszkolach dziewczyny to rozumieją. O, i masować. To się nazywa Adamski. Masuje mi karki, plecy. O, to przyjemne. To jego żona to błogosławi, żeby właśnie takiego to miała. Żeby jak najlepiej się dała, w sensie jemu tam dobre te zabawy, gry kobieco-męskie. Żeby miała jeszcze większe błogosławienie radości od swoich przodków to pełnia nas. Wtedy pełni. 122 czekamy. Za ile? 10 minut chyba.
My wife's professional. She's the best of all. Finally, Filipina, she's made so much money in 2 years. I never believed. She's my God. She's my God. Filipinas Catholic. She's my God.
And now we understand much more when I will have my wife for me, for myself. For how we will have a family.
She's every kind. I'm an employee, ex-professional there, high level. Family, Jesus. We fight. We don't fight. We make so much money that I'm so rich and drunk and old man. Thanks so much, family. Filipinas,
To było 120 lat, teraz jest 210. To jest
She buy for me, the gift,
The special cross
She buy for me because
for secure you on the way. With good praying to come back very fast to home.
she buy for me.
Nobody will steal this from you in this country. We have full of cameras here. And then people need to go to prison to sit on the big something what they really don't like to sitting, maybe, you know?
Funny,
Maybe some people will be just moving forward without this. They can have as good friend from what the country said. They can without this to have. Because in Poland we truly respect good Christianity way. And we understood the Christianity value.
Yeah, funny, buy for me. Filipinas. It's making so much money.
Thanks to you, I understand now much more the meaning of the word religious. Really
I buy for
genetic.
this. I can't no money for this. I have no money for this.
Really genetic.
It's too gold. I have no money for this. I have no money. Voila.
Gold is much better not the silver. Silver is really bad for eyes. And I prefer tattoo.
Funny
I
about for
prefer
this.
tattoo.
Funny.
She said, she not said. She
It's
said,
you.
she said.
Check.
The small girl here in the crowd.
Check. Yeah. Check.
What? What do I need to check? Is he still there on the cross? What are you doing on the cross?
It's big money.
You're not on the cross. You in the jungle having fun with
my
love,
life is
with
my
animals.
cause. Filipinos.
Philippines.
I always die for them. They buy for me.
Your wife is from Philippines. Wow, very good. Genetic mix.
Leonie.
Interesting.
Palon's here. I'm very rich, and she's very rich. In 2 years, she's very rich.
She very rich. Also,
I
she
met
has
her.
Hopefully, good. You very close to her. No for money, only no for money life. To all people now I say. Like,
One
no
day,
for money.
like $1,000. It's a bad day. For you, it's a bad day. But for me, it's very easy. Sometimes I make $5,000.
For planet Earth, for Africa. For Africa. For Africa.
My wife is so rich. Good. Are you pleased or what?
What?
Please.
In police in Poland meaning calculations, like policzyć, making calculation. This one bus is one, which one? Come on, I need to know. 6 PKP. Okay, we can go. You going now? I go now, friend. All the best to you. I go, because I need to go to
Cold hands.
in Oliva, Katedra,
hands.
Oliwska Katedra
Yeah,
for
cool
praying,
hands.
to talk with Padre.
Like my wife. That makes no money.
You will have water for you. I will maybe let